Okay, we have a Proto-Trak 2-axis CNC knee mill, model K3, serial number 99-0582. Machine was new in 1999. It's got ball screws on the X and Y axes. You can see there when he moves the hand wheels, which are ball screwed, there's no backlash. It acts as if it's a DRO. The third axis is the quill. You can see that that's a manual, but it does have a glass scale for feedback. He's just jogging the x-axis. The motors and the ball screws sound good. The y-axis also sounds good. Machine has an R8 spindle, nice and quiet. It goes from 60 to 4,200 RPM in a low and high range. Yeah, it's a drawbar. We have an air actuated power drawbar. It's made by Kurt. You also get the 6-inch vise in it, the remote go switch. Hey, it's original paint. It's a nice machine.